Hey little buddy, on this episode, we're gonna be doing some shark fishing. Hope you like it.
Jack would be nice. Get it, Hunter.
There you go, bud.
Can y'all see
Here,
it here?
hand me that hand.
Try to move. See what we got, bud. Right? Oh, never mind. You're good. Man, he went a long way.
Yeah, right.
Oh, yeah, he's ripping again. Jeez. That's a good fish. It's a really good fish.
If it is.
That'd be nice.
Can you eat those?
I don't even know
I
what
would
that
love
is.
to
You
see
can.
like a fat
They're not the best. They're pretty good. I like fish, so. He's gonna get tired soon.
Oh, there it is. It's a shark.
Oh,
Nice.
yeah,
Holy
Hunter!
crap, that's
That's a big one.
huge.
That's a big one. I need. Found the sharks, that's for sure. Nothing else.
That's nuts.
There you go. Cool.
Wow.
As soon as you get them up, you just dart stack down.
Alright, I'm gonna pull your way.
Oh, no! See ya!
Back to the bottom.
I probably should just grab the line.
Sometimes
grab-
it'll break off those when
Yeah.
that's true.
Cause I don't. How long did you say this line was, or how tight?
I have no clue. Tell you what they do is tear your leader up.
Might be like way down there.
I thought he was gonna come up. Oh, he's trying to go back.
Manhandle. There you
Oh,
go.
yeah, he's
There
getting
you go.
tired.
Oh, no. Oh, I'm gonna pull him back this way. There you go.
There you go.
No, I don't think so, because I was looking for that.
And that's what he identified as.
It could be a sand shark.
Yeah, look at it.
There you go.
Nice.
Oh,
Here, hold on. Let me pull him
How many guys does it take?
Easy,
Oh, yeah, he's in there now, buddy.
Yeah.
He's in there. He ain't going nowhere.
Got him?
He's taking off.
Here,
Get that
move
head,
this
get
way.
that head, right. Get the head. There you go. Nice. Oh, sorry. Hold on.
Wow, look at that.
He's tangled up a little.
His
Where's the hook?
It's right in the corner.
Oh,
of his
okay.
mouth.
The bait just slid up.
Yeah.
Here, let me try it.